friends, welcome back to Wild Forest Milling. Today on the sawmill we've got a sunken log here that I have pulled out of the lake. It is a pine tree, and apparently some of the colors in these can be pretty neat. So we're going to cut this open and see what we find. Let's get after it. Tell you, I didn't know what to expect when I cut open this log. My first opening cuts at the top were pretty normal looking, but as I got into this log, it is incredible. Some of the colors that have taken up the minerals that soaked in here and soaked into the heart of this log are just, I mean, it almost looks like it's bug killed, but as I look towards the end, you can kind of see where it's been absorbing in the minerals and stuff that's kind of stained the wood, and it does give it that kind of bug kill look to it. But this is right in the heart, so as I got deeper into the log, that's where I really started to find some of this gorgeous color. I also cut it right down the middle, which is the pith or the heart, which normally you're supposed to cut that out and try to avoid that, but I really wanted to see the contrast in the color as I kind of centered that and cut it right down. And you can see as you zoom in on the log, some of the darker brown right in the middle that just really makes this stunning. So this wood is incredibly wet. We're going to have to sticker this, and we're going to have to wrap it and try to get it to dry. I mean, I got moisture dripping off the sawmill here from cutting this because this log was just in the lake, you know, as of 10 days ago. So just pulled it out, and so we're going to see how it dries up. But incredible. Again, something I thought was going to be a write-off turned into just something gorgeous. I'm really glad I did it. So I'm glad you guys were here to join us on this journey. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see what comes on the mill next week.